Hi and welcome back to Stone Ranger. So this morning I got a comment on one of my videos of would you be able to carve a house sign using an old screwdriver. So I've got this screwdriver and I rummage around my toolbox, so it's a little Stanley stumpy flat blade, and I think that might be the best way to go for it. I couldn't work out whether to go for a longer one or a wider one, but I think I like the length of this. I think this might work really well. It might be hard to grip, but it is a challenge, so we want that. That's why these people send me these things in. So the way I'm going to go about this is I'm going to sharpen this on my bench grinder. I'm going to put an edge on it. Then I'm going to just titillate it on the diamond block to put really put the fine edge on there like I would with my chisels. I'm going to use my normal hammers. I've marked a piece of stone with a number 5 on it already. It was a piece of stone I had outside. I just quickly washed it, marked the number 5 on it. So yeah, that is officially challenge accepted, and let's see how we get on. That's it, all finished up, job completed. I'm going to let you decide whether you think we've completed the challenge or not. Drop a comment in below and let me know. Also, if you've got any other challenges you want to send to me to do, what I can see what we can carve with, I'm more than happy. Someone did mention about a toffee hammer at one point. That I think I might try and find a toffee hammer, see if we can make that one work or not. But yeah, drop the comments in below. I appreciate all your time watching, and I'll see you next time.